Hey guys. Okay. I think can you hear me now? You can hear me now, right? I know, Chetan sir. I know, Chetan sir. Chetan sir. Okay. Okay. It's audible, right? Is it audible, Chetan? Okay, perfect. So, Chetan, please let me know if it's not audible or let me just share a link. You can still hear me, right? You can still hear me, right? Okay, perfect. So, okay. So let's talk about Nifty for tomorrow first. I guess I'm I guess I'm not able to share the screen that I want. Uh, Never mind. I'm not able to share the Nifty screen that is available on Nifty. That sucks. That's that's okay. Let's just quickly start Nifty levels for tomorrow. Uh, I'm tired now. Okay, so I'm going to provide you guys a range for tomorrow and then weekly also. So tomorrow, Nifty has closed somewhere around 14,507, and the intraday level we should be watching. On the buy side, we should focus the level of 14,557. This is the technical level first, guys. I'll share the technical and the gain levels, and then I'll share what I do follow. And in case you want to follow the same procedure, you can do it. Before that, please remember, disclaimer: this is just my view. All the views that I share would be for educational purpose only. There is no buy sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. So on the technical levels of 14,557 above, Nifty is a clear buy for the target of 614 and 696. Yeah, and on the short side, 14,550 below, Nifty is short for the target of 400, and then 318 should be the target on the technicals. Now, on if I talk about the gain levels for tomorrow, Nifty is a clear buy above 14,537 for the target of 628 and 718, because I'm seeing as 800 to 888 are the stiff resistance on the Nifty on the gain levels as of now. And on the short side, Nifty should move towards 14,477, below 14,387, and 14,300 should be the target intraday. These are the levels that I'm seeing. Now I generally follow the gain levels that I just shared with you guys. Also, uh, after we complete this entire conversation, I'll try to share a photo also with you guys, so you can go ahead and uh, plan accordingly if there is any trade for you. Now on the bank Nifty levels, I'm seeing for tomorrow on the technical is Bank Nifty has closed around 33,318. So it's a buy above 33,480 for the target of 750 and 940 should be the target. And on the downside, below 33,160, Bank Nifty is weak for the target of 32,800 and 32,700. These are the long and short targets on the technicals. Now, if I talk about the gain angles, my long side Bank Nifty would be above 33,370 for the target of 500 and 640, and on the downside below 33,272, Bank Nifty is weak for the target of 33,100 and 32 33,000 should be the target for intraday. Now, let me share with you. These are the levels that I just shared on the basis of gain and technicals both. But let me tell you guys, this market we have a holiday on Friday. So tomorrow is Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. With 3 days are the actual working day we have now, because Friday is holiday. So do not trade anything for this week in the option. When I say option, that means expiry. Don't trade for this week. Trade with the April expiry month. So that way, if you are stuck in case, you don't lose your premiums. This is my clear advice to you guys. Now, Nifty, I would suggest you guys still to avoid Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty is still in the range, and it is stuck in the range, and Bank Nifty will give you a clear move once the range is broken. Till then, go with the Nifty. I'm telling you the levels that you should focus on: 14,500 and the 14,880. This is the toughest resistance. Now Nifty has too many resistance, again angle resistance somewhere around 1400 880 to 960. Again 14,880 to 14,960 950. These 80 points, there are too many resistance in the Nifty. So any clear move on the upside, we would need two consecutive closing on the bank or on the Nifty first. Then only the range will give you a breakout, and the uptrend will start. Now, many members are still looking at why there is so much volatility in this 2021 we are seeing. Let me tell you guys, 2021 is number 5. Number 5 is for the Mercury, and because of this you will see the volatility entire year. This will be you are seeing the volatility of 1,000 points up moves in the Nifty now. Sooner or later you are going to see the moves of 2,000 points in 1 or 2 months. It is going to continue like that. The most important part is you have to be on the right direction on the right time. For example, to in nowadays, that this week I'm seeing the market will stuck in the range that I am seeing now. That this range will anyone can give you this range, 14,400 to 14,900. That's the range clear, but I cannot help with that. This range will continue entire week. So my advice would be, go short on the higher side, on the higher range, with the stop loss of 14,880 to 957. The perfect stop loss would be 970, 14,970. And on the downside, anything anywhere, if you get somewhere around 14,400 to 350 zone, you can try along with the target stop loss of 14,260 to 70. 100 point stop loss on the same side, on the higher side also the stop loss I gave you. So this is the range you have to play it for 3 days. Now, what can happen tomorrow as per the planetary positions? As per the planetary positions, tomorrow, the first half, we could see some weakness after opening. Okay, after opening to somewhere around 12 to 12:30, we could see weakness, especially on Bank Nifty particularly, and the Nifty will also be on the downside for the till that time. But then after we could see some good up move in the market also. Now this week will give you a range on the both side. Will hit the stop loss on the both side, so it's better for you guys to trade with the hedge positions. But the next week will give you this week will give you a range bound trading, and this next week will give you a clear breakout. Now, where will be the breakout? Unfortunately, I'm not able to share with you guys because I also have some restrictions because I am liable to my members, and they should know the first where what should be the levels we are seeing next week. So I would not be able to share with you guys, but yes, you will get the hint on your Telegram channel. You have to decode that hint, and then you're good to go. But please consider the range if the range is still intact in the market, it will hit the stop loss on the both sides. So don't get scared of the, don't think the market has made a top, or don't think the market has made a bottom as of now. No, it's not going to be like that. It's not going to be that easy. If you remember what I mentioned on on our trend Telegram channel, what I mentioned with you guys, the day the time you think the market has given a breakout, it will go down, and the time when you think the market has given a breakdown, it will move up, and it is exactly happening as it is. This is going to happen for another 3 days now, and then after the market will give you a breakout or breakdown. So be ready for the clear move, and this time the move will be a wild move, guys. So be ready. And my suggestion, I'm again telling you guys, go with the hedge position. The best is the hedge position. If you are short in the index, go short on the index and go long on the stock specific. That's the best part. Or index, you can go with the butterfly, or bull call spread, something like whatever suits you on the both sides. But the naked position would be very dangerous in this market. Or go with your financial expert and ask him, and he will tell you what to do. Otherwise, if you think this is the breakout or this is the breakdown, it's not going to be happen this way. It's going to be very tough for you now. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Please save your capital. 3 more days, if you're not going to trade 3 more days, it's not going to hurt you anymore. But it is very important for you to save your capital for the next week, the good trading market. All right, my bias, it's still negative, because you always ask me, sir, what is your view? My bias on the index is still negative, but there are stock specific, we are also on the long, so we are completely hedging our positions. This is all I wanted to share with you guys. Now if you have any questions or any stock specific view, if you want to know, please ask me. I'll try to answer in next 5 minutes. Then we have to shut down. Let's just quickly look at what is happening in the global market. Yeah, global market right now. The U.S. future is around 50 points up. U.S. 10-year bond yield is around 1.7. Dollar index is 92.87. Let me tell you what I am feeling as of now, guys. The market has discounted US 10-year bond yield till 1.73 to 1.72. Till it below this, I do not see any impact on the bond yields, because market has discounted this range. Okay, so bond yield only about that we could see some good profit booking, or I would say selling on the market. Till then we are good with this range. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Don't look at the SGX, guys. I'm again telling you, SGX is just to आपकी नींद खराब कर देगा, वो कुछ नहीं करने वाला है वो। एसजीएक्स का कुछ काम ही नहीं है अभी के मार्केट में। वी आर सीइंग अ डाइवर्जेंस इन द ग्लोबल मार्केट आल्सो, राइट? ग्लोबल मार्केट कहीं और जा रहा है और हमारा इंडियन मार्केट कहीं और जा रहा है। इट्स अ कंप्लीट डाइवर्जेंस, एंड इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लानिटरी पोजीशंस। वंस दैट गेट चेंज, वी वुड सी द अगेन हम फॉलो करेंगे उसको, ग्लोबल मार्केट को हम फॉलो करेंगे, और ग्लोबल मार्केट हमें एक टाइम पे फॉलो करने आएंगे। This is the trend is going to happen, but not as of now. I'll tell you when it is going to happen. But till then, the range bound I have shared with you guys. The range is still open. Save your capital. Be very light in the market. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so ICICI Group. Let me see ICICI Group. I'll try to fix out. My IT has actually done the entire. They have fixed the problem that why I was not able to share the screen and everything, but God knows what is happening now. I'm still not able to share the screen. ICICI Pro. Let me just open it. But don't worry, I'll try to share my the pic of the of my system, so you guys can plan accordingly. So because I'm on the ICICI Pro, I'm sharing my orbit levels already only. All right, so you have to keep watching those levels. The It's close around 430.65. Anything below 425 is on the sell side for the target of 410 and 395. As long as once it start trading above 436, it's open for the target of 452 and 467. This is the target for the entire. See the orbit level. Whenever I mention the orbit level, the target with whatever I'll be sharing would be for the entire month. Okay, so it's for the entire month. The actual target would open on the date of first April, because it is still 29th March. But this is the level that you need to keenly watch out for. Till then, it's in the range. Now, for the option players, one stock I want to give you guys. Sorry, not for the option players, but for the uh, option sellers particularly. Look for the sale, guys. SAIL, sale, Steel Authority of India Limited. Still, sale has run up quite good, and it is near to the resistance of 79 to 80 rupees. Okay, so what you guys can do is sell the 80 rupees call tomorrow, and to hedge, go with the let me share the exact level. All right, hold on just a second. CIC Pro. Just a second ago. It is opening. I'm sharing the GAN level, so uh, you guys can look for it. So sale has closed somewhere around 76.75, and once it once it start trading below 75.30, the first target should be 4.50, and this level gets sustained, guys. Then the second level 50. This is the level that you need to watch out for. Okay, and according to the chart, if you see the 1 hour chart on the technical levels also, the sale level should go downside, as the sale level has made a double top, as well as RSI also has made a double top on that sale. So this is the stock that you guys can look for the short if you want. uh, yeah, so that's the best stock as of now I'm seeing on the steel sector, and it has. So yes, that's with you guys. So any more questions if you have, please. So yeah, that's it, guys. So I wanted to share these levels with you. The sale that you need to keep watching. I'm sharing my photo also with on the sale. Uh, in case if you have any on the live market, if you have any questions, you guys can always shoot me a message on my Telegram, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible, guys. All right, so next time I'll make sure, guys, that my screen gets shared with you, because God knows what is wrong with my uh, screen as of now. Okay, so all right, guys, have a good night then, and be careful these 3 days. Don't trade on the weekly, go with the monthly expiry, so that's the best part. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.